See? There we go.
All right.
Start over? What do we do?
Yeah, go ahead, Joel, because I don't
Start
want to
it all
spice that
over?
shit. Yeah.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's another Demopocalypse on the Chad and Cheese podcast. I'm Joel Cheeseman.
I'm Chad Sowash.
And the cats in the middle of us are from VideoMyJob, Kristen Graham, and someone she'll introduce, mystery guest here in a second.
Stephen O'Donnell.
But yes, we're gonna demo VideoMyJob. So Kristen, take it away. Give us a quick intro about you, the company, and who's with you.
I'm Kristen Graham, one of the co-founders of VideoMyJob, and we're scaling employee-generated content that's fully branded, has compliance and enterprise team features all around the world. Now, I work from out of Melbourne, half the time in America, and as most people know, Melbourne to London is about nearly 23 hours different.
Couple hours.
Yeah.
So really hard to cover the time zone differences. So I've hired Stephen O'Donnell to come and join our very small team based out of Glasgow.
Yep, Glasgow, yeah.
Ooh.
Are you wearing a kilt right now, Stephen?
He is.
I am.
Nice.
Only Kristen can
This is
see.
when Chad asks you if anything is under the kilt.
This is when Chad doesn't ask a goddamn thing because I don't want to know.
Regulatory tweed jackets.
Oh,
By the way, I've been saying Melbourne incorrectly my whole life. Apparently, it's Melbourne.
Melbourne.
There's no syllable between the B and the R. This is Melbourne.
It's like
Nice.
you say coffee.
Coffee talk.
Yeah, that sounds like more Bostonian, I think.
So, Kristen, you've been around for 3 years.
3 years.
You mentioned. Now, there's a lot of video products. This is not video interviewing. This is not paying agency tens of thousands of dollars to make a really pretty HD video. This is something a little bit different.
Little bit different. Yes, we're an app that sits on your mobile phone, any device, Android or iOS, and we're an enterprise tool, and we do three things. Our branded templates are locked down to the company's brand guidelines. We have team collaboration tools to help teams share scripts or remote edit. So you might have a hiring manager on camera, but the recruitment team does the editing, or the marketing team. And then we have governance, so permission structures to ensure that the quality of the videos going out is all approved and okay to be public.
Yeah.
So that's our app in a nutshell. We're working with over 150 clients globally in 50 odd countries now, which is pretty exciting.
So do you guys do QA/QC, or you just make it easy for the company to do QA/QC before the video launches?
Yeah, 100%. We have a lot of training to help clients understand what best practice looks like, and our app itself, and I'll show you in a minute, Chad, around the quality factors, how to get the best possible quality with your device. But pretty much we implement the technology for the client to roll out and own and manage their own video content.
Yeah.
Now, before you start, I want you to show everyone where you are. You're in some sort of pub annex in London.
We're actually
Like some wood hut.
Little hut.
having a cup of tea. I'm having a beer. And you guys, what are you drinking? Bourbon. Cheers. But
In my coffee because it's early here.
well, in London, we've been traveling all around the countryside doing demos and meeting clients, and it's been really hard to find an office with good Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So with 15 minutes to go, we literally ran out the door looking for a pub with good Wi-Fi, and we found it, and we're here in a little beach shack.
Yeah.
It's a heater, and it's got a lighting, and then out there is the beer garden.
They have literally just started a fire outside. There's a log fire
There's a log
started
fire.
immediately outside. So the smoke's going to come in here any second now.
So many drunks in London, they have to build annexes to the pubs so people can have a place.
So
to
did you
drink.
bust into the bar and was like, I need Wi-Fi? I mean,
Pretty much. Pretty much.
Demopocalypse is happening. And they're like, oh,
Wi-Fi is
shit.
quite
Demopocalypse. You need the Wi-Fi. Here's the key.
I did
First place.
3 pubs on the way, and
then-
boom, and I was starting to stress, but I wasn't going to be late, unlike someone.
Yeah. And then
Way to
she
go,
said,
Cheeseman.
that's not Wi-Fi. That's Wi-Fi. Sorry.
I'm waiting for a shrimp on the Barbie joke. It'll come.
Oh, it's coming.
Kristen.
Don't
It'll
worry.
come. Yeah.
It's coming.
So show me this stuff. I'm all excited,
let's
get
see
me
it.
all jazzed up about video and mobile, and then you tease me. Come on.
Cool. All right. So we actually house a lot of our customers' public videos that they post publicly.
Mhm.
And this is a way for our clients to learn from each other and see that you're not out of the ordinary. There are other people creating video content for job ads. We also have our own public library, or not public, but your own video library that you house videos that we've done this week. In fact, we went out to McLaren this week
Oh,
Yeah.
and out in their technology centre. Where was it?
It was in Woking, and it was a bit like a James Bond villain's lair.
Yeah,
It was
very
outstanding.
I wouldn't expect anything different from McLaren. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was phenomenal.
It was phenomenal. Really cool. So today we're going to create a video, and you press the button, you choose your template, and all of a sudden the Wi-Fi is... Here we go. I've got a Chat and Cheese logo.
Ooh.
That I'm
That's sexy. Ooh,
Sexy.
that is sexy.
So I feel like I'm here with the two of you creating a video. I'm going to hit next. And those branded templates are quite flexible for users to put the logo wherever you need it. However, companies want their brand guidelines locked down. So we do that too. So as you can see, and Stephen, you're going to have to miss out, but
That's
that's
all right.
okay. As you can see, our app has the silhouette where you can position yourself, and this is great for lighting, so it actually helps balance out the lighting.
Mhm.
It also helps amateurs know where to stand.
Yeah. Joel needs that. He's so bad at videos.
I could even use this thing. Green is good, red is bad.
Ah, nice.
The
Okay, can I get a beer? All right.
So we have these cool little selfie kits with a tripod, and that helps you get your phone all ready to go.
Cool.
And lighting on, so I'm just going to put some light on. Now we're going to create a video. Now, you can see some of the features actually help you look good on camera, but we all know it's about the content as well. So companies can help their teams really scale video with good content by helping them script their own videos. And you can either have that script on the screen as bullet points, or you can have it scrolling. So you choose your speed, and I'm just going to...
Nice.
Yeah, that's about -3, and away we go. So you'll have to guess what the job ad is for. Lock all your doors, hide your kids. Chad and Joel are here to punch the recruiting industry right where it hurts, complete with breaking news, brash opinion, and loads of snark. And if you have what it takes, we're looking for a script writer to join. Yep, you'll need to be funny, thick-skinned, and dance like nobody's watching. No 2 days are ever the same. We're a small team, but we host shows to over 50 countries representing most corners of the globe. We essentially host HR's most dangerous podcast and have interviewed world-leading tech like VideoMyJob. So if you think you can dance and continue to punch the industry where it hurts, come join us. Apply now. Bye.
See,
All
yeah,
right.
yeah. Well, I told you we need help writing script, Joel.
Make sure we get her
Okay.
to do an intro for the podcast.
Oh yeah, no shit, right? So now I want to see it. Now I want to see her do all the editing and all the other fun stuff.
Alrighty, so we're now I'm just cropping this
Mhm.
as I go. Crop the end so you can't see me reach out and turn off the button.
And touch somebody.
When I think about you, I touch my...
I can now send
Divinals.
this for remote editing if I want.
Oh,
I
really?
can send the project to anyone in my team to do the editing and sharing. But I'm actually going to edit right in front of your eyes.
Cool.
So I'm going to hit next. You can see my name and title come up, and that's because it's my license, and that's why it comes up. So I'm just going to make that little bit
I like those
bigger.
colors. Those are awesome. I like those.
Great colors. And I think I mentioned something
Mustard.
about dancing.
Yes.
So I've got some really cool footage here that might. Just going to put this little video here.
You have any break dancing? Oh.
Maybe.
I'm sending it to you, Chad. Ready?
No.
No.
So you can add B-roll footage. You can also add images and obviously text. And
Could you add a GIF?
you can add a GIF.
That's
as long as
awesome.
Jesus.
it's on your phone. You can add whatever you like.
Oh my God.
And our organisations obviously go. Clients have very strict brand guidelines. So we're building an asset library for organisations to add content and assets to help all their team use pre-approved assets and not just get it from the internet like I just did. Once the video is done, we'll just call this script writer, and then we'll dare join us.
Join us if you dare.
Now the logo, the thumbnails, there's lots of different choices, and some companies prefer to have the coloured version for external content.
Mm-hmm.
They might have the grey and white version for internal content. So people aren't just creating job ads on our platform. They're actually creating any sort of message, whether it's candidate nurturing type messages. So thanks for your application. Bear with us while we sort through the process, or welcome aboard. Here's a few, here's what to expect day one.
Yeah.
Lots of different internal company updates, anything really that it's, as we know, as we should
So
know.
it's total video creation. After you're done, MP3 it, put it on YouTube, do whatever you want to do.
Yeah, so
with
show
it.
us what you do after it's been created.
Yep. All right.
So this isn't just like single purpose, put it on your job, walk away. This is, you can do your video, use it for anything, push it anywhere.
I love the look on her face on the that's
that
good.
was perfect. So we're just trying it out. It uploads. So come join our team. You put in your little description. And this is all SEO optimized. So it takes all the words, the company name, and also the name of the video.
So when it's pushed to your YouTube channel, all the text is SEO'd by Google, obviously.
And you can put your application link. So today I'm just going to put VideoMyJob.com.
But of course you can add tracking links onto there as well if you wanted to.
100%. You can add, we also have a Chrome extension which actually helps you drag and drop your video or apply link back into your ATS or your shipper, Broadbean, or into your email and so forth. So once we've done that, we go back to the library and that uploads. And that's right now uploading to our YouTube channel. It's at 32%. It's fairly quick, fast, efficient. Obviously Wi-Fi for a good data connectivity. And then away you go.
Does anyone else in our space do this, Kristen?
Look, there's a lot of video companies, platforms that are focusing in our space, which is enterprise employee generated content. But none of us are really the same. yes, we're all kind of trying to get in. We'll get the budget from the same client, I suppose. However, our products are very different, so it really depends what you're after as to what is required.
And most companies in the same space are focusing on video interviewing, which is obviously the video coming from the other direction. So we are outbound video for obviously vacancy adverts, employer branding, marketing, internal comms, all of those things. So we're producing outbound content that's been generated by employees of the organization.
Is it safe to say that I could know nothing about making a video, but I have an iPhone? Like, I can use this product, right? So this is for small businesses to big enterprise companies is your market.
But it is relatively idiot-proof.
Idiot-proof.
Is it Joel-proof, though? that's the question. Is it Joel-proof? Because that's
says the guy who was late to this. Okay, yeah, nice.
Every now and again, you got to be late.
So, Kristen, I've used solutions like Wistia before, and I mean, so analytics is really sort of robust. I can put, a link at the end that says, "Hey, give us your email address to sort of join our database." I can embed the video as a GIF into emails and things like that. Are these things you guys currently do or looking to do?
I think our platform's kind of all three. So we do the filming, we do the editing, and then we do the sharing and then the analytics. A company like Wisteria is very much heavy on the platform side, so the sharing and analytics. So we've got customers that use our tool to do the creation and editing, and then we'll upload the end product of the video into a company like a product like Wisteria or Vidyard or any CRM really that you want to house the end product. So I suppose we call ourselves a little like Switzerland. We're friends with everybody, and can kind of integrate into any different platform that requires a video. Obviously, the platform needs to be optimized for video. So a lot of job boards today aren't. So we are finding out slowly but surely that a lot of job boards are converting to being able to support video content, and that's exciting for us.
So embedding a video into their website, their job site, is not something that they can easily do today. So okay, so question. Some of the other providers that are actually out there, they do video hosting and the whole lot, and they make the company in some cases pay more for the rights to their own content, or not even own the content at all. Is this a free and clear, whatever you create with your logo and your brand, it's your stuff, go do what you want with it? Is that what I'm hearing?
Even better, it sits on your own YouTube channel. It's not our content. We integrate into all your platforms, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, and those videos are housed and sit on your own YouTube channel. We also house them in the cloud, and that's for when you want to share to Facebook, they share natively. Or if you want to download it and re-edit it, you can. But yeah, I think no, we don't keep your content. That's the clients.
That's ridiculous.
Can we see the analytics, Kristen? Can you show us the dashboard, what a client would see in terms of how their video is performing?
Yeah, sure. I'm about to publish it, so I'm going to quickly publish it now, so you can see the video there is playing. So it's pretty much ready to go. And
that actually is Chad and myself doing the dancing on that video.
Yeah, we practice really hard on that one.
I'm going to keep it unlisted for this purpose. Unless you are looking for a script writer, guys, I can certainly share you the applications. But I'll keep it unlisted. You can also post to Facebook straight away, create a post, and that description and apply button will then share with it. But today we're just going to keep it unlisted and publish it. From here, we also have a few other cool products that are alongside it. So once it's published, whether it's unlisted or public, you can buy more views, and this is like a play on ad tech. So you can select your region, your platform. We're soon to be live with LinkedIn as well. So it's live on YouTube and Facebook already. Age, demographics, key skills. So we've really dumbed down the ad tech components. So most marketing experts know this really well, but most recruiters don't. So we're just making it really easy and scalable. And we do all the hard legwork around the edges.
So not only can I share it on YouTube, I can advertise it or boost it. In terms of budget, how does that work? Do I pick a budget for what I want to spend to promote it, or?
Yes, you do. So if you're looking for someone in London, keywords, script writer, that's simple. But we would encourage you to list at least 4 to 10 words.
Right.
You edit the description, choose your target campaign budget, and we recommend around $125 per campaign, and you can push that over 7, 14, or 21 days, and then you boost. And obviously the analytics are going to be richer. We pull through all the data from all the algorithms that get pushed through these platforms.
Any plans to add like Instagram? You mentioned LinkedIn, Snapchat, obviously. Any plans to add those platforms as well in the future?
Yeah, so at the moment you can share your video to Instagram if it's under 60 seconds, or it just crops out the end.
Yeah.
And you can do that through Facebook, or you can download. But where I shouldn't say it, my CTO would be very, very mad at me if I.
That's okay.
How close we are to integration with LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. But yeah, it's not far away. But we definitely, that's definitely on the roadmap.
So is this set up as like a seat scenario so that only so many recruiters can have access, or is this kind of like carte blanche? You have one account, you have username and password, recruiters, anybody who you want to have access to as a super user, you can provide access, and then just the content starts rolling.
Pricing.
Yeah, so we have, it's based on a bit of a mix on a number of creators, we call them, and features. Yeah. So clients who aren't too fussed about really polished branding and don't want too many creators, so small to medium enterprises suit our base model product. And then we have professional and enterprise, which is more premium branding. You get multiple templates, you get more governance around permissions, and also more creators. But all of our subscriptions are unlimited video, and we just, more the video you make, the better.
Fantastic.
So on that side of the house with your current clients, pushing out a ton of video, obviously, I mean, it looks like it's incredibly simple, just from a brand standards, colors, all that other fun stuff. Give us a success story. So if somebody's watching this video right now, what company could they go out to today and see all these wonderful VideoMyJob videos, like all over either their jobs, their website, social media? Who would be a good company?
All right, I should share my screen and show you a few YouTube channels, but I think GSK and Siemens, Group M, they're all doing a great job from an enterprise. Yodel in London, but Siemens, GSK are probably our biggest, and Schneider Electrics, they're our biggest clients globally, and are creating content for so many different things, as well as jobs. Siemens alone have improved their ability to attract quality candidates, so candidates that far meet the expectation of the role expectation by 170% in Denmark alone. That was a case study we did, and YouTube is now one of their main sources for candidates with a rare skill set. Innovation, they live their like Siemens live their brand, which is innovation. Yeah. And so a lot of their followers are interested in those type of jobs. So their YouTube channel is a great source for talent.
Yeah.
Kristen, talk about what you're doing with Monster, and will you be doing more of that stuff, that kind of partner stuff?
Or are you already?
We are.
Anything you want to announce?
Well, what's coming, it's actually out. I believe you had a very nice little interview with Scott Gutz and Chris Cho. So I met Chris Cho at a HR Tech Tank conference where I was up there pitching my heart away. And the head of product, Chris Cho from Monster, reached out and said, I really like what you're doing and we should talk. So 6 months down the track, they launched Monster Studios at HR Tech in Vegas. Mm-hmm. So it was very, very quick. And for a little startup, we are very proud and honored to be working with them. I think they've got an incredible team backing the tool, and it's a great product.
You have integration where if I post on Monster, I can easily sort of integrate my VideoMyJob posting or video to that posting. Is that how that works?
So today, I'll talk about today and then I'll talk about tomorrow. But today, you can download the Monster Studios app and create content to your heart's content and post it to a job that you might have that is advertising on Monster. That's happening today. I think they've got over 100 clients across the US, and they're piloting across EMEA at the moment. Yep. And I think it goes live next month. So it'll be available for anyone wanting. So VideoMyJob does, we power that technology. So the VideoMyJob app is quite separate. It's for those clients who really cherish their brand and want their videos branded and want to make sure that their videos meet their brand guidelines. So that's really the only difference. Well, there's a few differences, but the Monster Studios is really great for posting on Monster job boards.
Who are some of the other names out there? Who's some of the other product names that you guys are actually partnering with? I think that's pretty powerful to be able to get your product in front of, I think Monster in the US is like 120 pilot companies. I mean, that's awesome. Great impact. Who are some of the other companies that you're partnering with to do the exact same type of thing?
None.
Okay.
It's a lucky Monster.
This is her pitch.
Shit, right?
Yeah, it's not exclusive, is it?
So we're, that's probably a private question.
So it may or may not be an exclusive deal with us. Okay.
Yeah, call Kristen.
We're very much excited by the partnership, and look, they're already moving the needle on not only candidate engagement but also candidate experience by using video on their job ads. And there's some great statistics out there coming around video versus text.
So as a company, we just got back. I mean, we were at The Gathering, which is this huge branding conference, and everybody talking about purpose and being able to actually get that message out there. This seems like a perfect opportunity to be able to do those things, not just in the employment space, but all the way around for a company. If you're talking to somebody in talent acquisition or HR today, what's the main focus that you guys are hitting with them? Is it really hiring stats, which are great? I mean, 170%, that's awesome. But is it also that more purpose-driven kind of message that we can help you be bigger and kind of like a cult brand versus just somebody knows as a name?
Well, 100%. Like, put yourself in a candidate's shoes. 2 seconds. Are you there?
Yeah.
If you're looking for a job and you've got these 48 million jobs that are advertised in America alone every year, how on earth are you going to scroll through all those jobs and find one that fits you and suits you? So for a candidate to hear directly from a hiring manager or the specialist, which is a recruiter who's filling that role, in person, 500 words is 500 words. A picture tells 1,000, but a video tells millions. So I think it's to engage a more quality experience.
Is that the first time you've said that?
I'm speaking from my heart.
Okay.
Yeah, Joel wouldn't recognize that because he doesn't have a heart. Go ahead, Kristen.
And I can say that for for at least 40 years, job adverts haven't changed, even though they've gone online.
Yeah.
Job adverts have always been black text on a white page. And the problem with online largely is that you used to be controlled in the amount of text that you put in a job advert by the space you put in a newspaper. And now a job advert is unlimited. So companies are putting on acres and acres of content. The candidates are only reading the job title, the salary, the location, and maybe a couple of words at the beginning. They're not getting to the end. People are not absorbing the content that you put in your job advert. Whereas candidates are now, everyone's got one of these in the pocket, candidates are absorbing video in hugely bigger numbers every day than before. And the amount of information you can absorb from a video is immense. So, you know, all the micro gestures that come from a hiring manager talking with passion about the position he or she is looking to hire for is much more impactful and much more engaging. And when you're looking directly at the screen, directly at the teleprompter through to the candidate on the other side, you're really talking to that audience of one, and you're getting your message across in ways that you never did before. The candidates are much more able to more accurately self-select whether they're suitable for that company or that, you know, and that role than black text on a white page.
Yeah.
Stephen sounds like a sales guy.
Oh yeah, he's good.
Hey, Kristen, give me a glimpse into the future in terms of product roadmap. What kind of new features can buyers of today expect for tomorrow?
Ooh, unveil.
I've got one right here. Again, my CTO won't be happy. But anyway, we're in test flight.
That was a great.
All right.
Don't tell anyone about this.
So our talent campaign is it's a play on video interviewing. So this is just another feature the VideoMyJob customers will get access to. So it's that $4-5 billion industry of video interview companies. We're just allowing our clients to be able to send a video to a candidate or multiple candidates with a question and a duration. They can update those questions. They can add questions, really whatever they like. They type in, I'm just going to...
Are you a badass? That would be one of the first questions that we would ask.
How bad is your ass?
Yes.
I should have been organised to write that. So that creates a campaign. So I've just sent it to myself. I've got now I'm a candidate. I've got the text, come join a script writer. So I now open up VideoMyTalent, which is our candidate-facing app. You can put in your one-time code. Oh, and I'm on my London number. I don't know what the London number is.
So VideoMyTalent is a whole new product.
It's a whole new product.
Awesome. You saw it here first.
You did see it here first. What is my number? Hang on. I'll find it. It's in here.
You can edit this part. You have video editors.
Okay, back
I
to
might have a few.
874. Last 4 digits. Obviously, there's a code. And so I can watch the video again.
Uh-huh.
I can see what questions I'm being asked. And I also can get some tips and hints about how to stand out on video. You can start answering. Question 1, record. And then same sort of features as VideoMyJob. Spirit level. You've got camera settings. You can see what questions you are. Countdown, so you can smile, look beautiful. What's my biggest achievement of my career? Definitely being on the DEMOpocalypse. What's it called?
DEMOpocalypse.
I keep calling it demolition.
Killing me.
Come on, this is the country where Road Warrior or Mel Gibson, Road Warrior, right? Yeah.
Mad Max.
Mad Max, Road Warrior. Yeah, like you should know Apocalypse, Demo. Anyway.
I should.
That's a tangent.
I was reaching a bit for that one, but it's okay.
So the candidate can respond to their video, make it the best. They can retake it. We're not about putting any pressure on them and making them do it again. It's all about getting the best possible video application. And then they just confirm the upload. and that then the video file gets uploaded and pushed into the recruiter's subscription. And
so you're getting into video interviewing.
Is that kind of like an FAQ?
Well, it can be.
Job, people can ask questions and you answer the questions.
Responding to a video, but it can be used for employee engagement surveys, and any number of other things where you're looking for a video response. A video,
innovate. If companies are looking to get ideas from their employees about a new innovation, they can do this.
So if companies, if vendors that are out there who want to be more progressive and, I don't know, maybe innovate a little bit, if they want to be able to get a hold of some of this product, where do they go?
VideoMyJob.com or Kristen at VideoMyJob.com.
Yeah.
Excellent. What's your CTO's email address, by the way? We want to put that out there.
Make sure you use this video.
He'll hate that.
Yeah.
But yeah, if anyone's watching from TripAdvisor, Video My Holiday, I'm really passionate about that, so I'd be very keen to talk about that.
I love that. Yeah. Well, excellent, guys. We appreciate it, and let's get this out for the world to see.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Adios.
Oh,
later.
Cheers. It's not coffee.
The Scott says adios. I love it.